This video is brought to you by English County, Mobile Master, Mohammadi Furniture, Frespresso Coffee Shop, New Sun Fabrics Clothes Store, and by Madina Chicken World.
Happy Teachers Day. And Happy Teachers Day to all the teachers around the world.
Happy Teachers Day, sir.
Happy Teachers Day.
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 Hello everyone, a very happy Teachers Day to each and everyone who is viewing this. In this generation where people are all behind medicine seats and engineering, I was perhaps the only child from the entire batch of my school days who opted for being a teacher. And today I am here, never regretting my choice and really loving the privilege what I am getting here. Being a teacher is never something bad or you're not behind anyone. It is of course the noblest profession, and the love and care that you receive is never promised or guaranteed by any other occupations in the world.
On the eve of Teachers Day, let me congratulate my faculty members, and I wish them a very happy life in future. The role of a teacher is not confined to the classroom or a teaching. We should mold the students. I expect them to make a better citizen and a good nation. Once of all, I wish them very good success, a bright future for my teachers and for my students. I also thank Gohash for the opportunity to speak on this occasion. Thank you.
People sometimes struggle to choose their professions, but being a teacher, I feel proud myself, and being a teacher, it's a noble job, and it brings me a pleasure and a pleasant experience when I am with my students. The relation between a student and a teacher is undefined. It's an undefined relation. It cannot be defined, so that love and affection, like a magnet, teacher attracts his students, and that relation is undefined. So on this day of Teachers Day celebration, I'm really proud myself to have been a teacher.
Today being the Teachers Day, in the great memory of our greatest of the great teacher, Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, it gives me an immense pleasure to express my happiness. I'm really thankful for teachers like Radhakrishnan ji, who could devote his birthday in the memory of the teachers. Being a teacher from last 25 years, I feel proud myself in being this profession. Teaching is a noble profession, and teachers are called the noble people. But in my personal opinion, I feel that just by joining as a teacher, somebody cannot be qualified to be called as a noble person. It is a lifetime hard work, it is a lifetime achievement, and it is a constant persuasion towards our ultimate goal to help out our needy students, which will contribute immensely for the development of not only their own families and areas, it contributes for the development of a nation also. Thank you. Happy Teachers Day.
First, I wish you all the teachers, a very happy Teachers Day on behalf of whole of my staff and my principal ma'am from Farhan High School and Lily Rose. And I wish that all the teachers must realize this day as a day of very importance in their life, and they should think that the children are the most asset of our life. We have to do a lot for them. We have to encourage them, inspire them, and make them a good citizen of our country and good human being first.
Today we have celebrated the Teachers Day. It is the birthday of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. And I am very proud of we have celebrated teachers in our school, and being a teacher, he became the President of India. That's why this day became a unique in India.
दीपक सा जलता है गुरु, फैलाने ज्ञान का प्रकाश, ना भूख से उसे किसी दौलत की, ना कोई लालच ना आस। यानी उस्ताद का जो है ना खुलेआम किसी काम में जो है ना कोई भी किसी तरह का जो है ना उस पे झंझट, किसी तरह की जो है ना नाउम्मीद नहीं रहती, उस तरह का दिल खोल कर जो है ना काम करने का एक मुकाम उसको मिले और था। तो ऐसे टीचर्स को जो है ना मैं एक बार और मुबारकबाद देते हुए मैं सलाम करता हूँ सभी टीचर्स को, और अपने पूरे मैनेजमेंट की तरफ से जो है ना इसी खुशी के मौके पर विश हैप्पी टीचर्स कहते हुए अपनी बात को जो है ना मुकम्मल करता हूँ।
My name is Swati. I'm from Nani School. My favorite teacher, Archana ma'am. Happy Teachers Day. Hey, I'm Pranita Bhatt. So I'm from St. Joseph Convent. मेरे favorite teacher है Juliet Miss. And Happy Teachers Day to all the teachers around the world.
Hello, my name is Shiv Sagar and I have studied my schooling from SBR. This message is for Shankar Gowda sir, who has been one of the biggest pioneer in the field of English literature, and whatever I am is because of Shankar Gowda sir. Shankar Gowda sir, we are missing you a lot, and Happy Teachers Day on behalf of me and all my friends from SBR and whatever it may be. So thank you sir, thank you for being a part of my life. Happy Teachers Day sir.
मेरा फेवरेट टीचर कविता मैडम है, जो भी मेरे को सिखाए हाई स्कूल में, उसकी वजह से मैं यहाँ हूँ। वो नहीं तो मेरा परसेंटेज भी नहीं होता था, कुछ भी नहीं होता था। और प्राइमरी में एक मैडम कावेरी मैडम बोल के थी, उसकी वजह से मैं 4th स्टैंडर्ड को ABCD सिखाया और उसकी वजह से मैं यहाँ तक पहुँचूँ, मगर उससे न होते तो मैं यहाँ तक पहुँचता ही।
सबको हाय, मेरा नाम ममता, मैं शेट्टी कॉलेज से हूँ। मेरा स्कूलिंग केंद्रीय विद्यालय में हुआ है जो कि अम्बाला में है। तो वहाँ पर मेरी फेवरेट टीचर थे रुदल प्रसाद सर, उनको मेरी तरफ से हैप्पी टीचर्स डे।
माई सेल्फ मस्टर्ड, आई एम फ्रॉम शेट्टी कॉलेज और मैं रोटरी क्लब स्कूल से हूँ। और मेरे फेवरेट सर पाटिल सर थे, वो जो मैथमेटिक्स सर थे, क्योंकि मुझे मैथ बहुत पसंद है इसीलिए। और सबको, मतलब मेरे टीचर्स को सबको हैप्पी टीचर्स डे।
Hello, my name is Shankar. I have studied in SBR Public School and my most favorite teacher is Josephine ma'am. And Happy Teachers Day to all the teachers around the world.
Happy Teachers Day.
Hello, my name is Megha. I am from Gulbarga. My school name is NV College. My favorite teacher is Kamla teacher. Happy Teachers Day.
मेरा नाम श्रावण कुमार और मैं सेंट मेरीज में पढ़ा। मेरा फेवरेट टीचर तो असंता मैडम और अश्विनी मैडम होते हैं। हैप्पी टीचर्स डे।
My name is Praveen Marge. I am from Shahbaz. ನಾನು ಕಲಿತಿದ್ದು ಈ ಬ್ರೈಟ್ಲೈನ್ ಕಾನ್ವೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್. ನನ್ನ ಫೇವ್ರೇಟ್ ಟೀಚರ್ ಶೀಲಾ ಮಿಸ್ ಅಂತ, ಇವಾಗ ಅವರು ಸದ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅವರು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ RIP ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ಪೀಸ್. ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ತುಂಬ ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಯಾರನ್ನ ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ ಅವ್ರು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ। ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ हैप्पी टीचर्स डे।
मेरा नाम मोहम्मद तौफीक है, मैं हुसैन पब्लिक स्कूल से हूँ। मेरी फेवरेट टीचर का नाम है नाहिदा, और जो कुछ भी हूँ, आज जो कुछ भी हूँ, मैं उनकी वजह से हूँ। बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया मैम आपका। हैप्पी टीचर्स डे।
This video is brought to you by English County, Mobile Master, Mohammadi Furniture, Frespresso Coffee Shop, New Sun Fabrics Clothes Store, and by Madina Chicken World.